So we're walking up to the Kuhflucht Waterfall, and this is a bridge on the way there. The trail so far is pretty easy, just a slight incline, good footing, but I'm sure it's going to get steeper, but for right now, you know, it's pretty easy. Take a look at that. That's the trail. And Kuhflucht Waterfall, about 25 minutes. We're about 25 minutes from the waterfall. And now it's starting to get a little steeper, but the paths are in good shape. More little waterfalls going up to the bigger one. Kuhflucht Waterfall, we get it right. Really pretty. Nice and cool back here. Light's not bad at all. Just still on the way to Waterfall. That's facing down the hill. That'll be good to go. That direction. This is up the hill. So this is a little steep part of it. So it has steep parts and levels out. Again, not too bad, but a good workout. Almost to the end. I think a bridge is an ending point for us when you guys walk up that trail. Really good view. That's the top of the waterfall. Like it starts right here. Doors through there. I'm standing on the bridge. Slows down. And goes there. It's really pretty. Really cute. This is on the way. We're like on the way down from the waterfalls. We already went up. But it's little, like a little homemade, naturally made kiddie pool. Pretty cool for people. Just taking a break, getting their feet wet. That's so neat. Okay, so I'm at the top of the Kuhflucht Waterfall. The journey's about 45 minutes from the town of Farchant walk. A few steep places. If you're in decent shape, it's no problem. It's for beginners. It's not a problem at all. It's really pretty. You can see back here. This is the top of the waterfall. I'm standing on the bridge right now, and you have a bunch of really a series of little waterfalls that continue. So this is a nice hike with a good exercise. Very worthwhile. It didn't cost anything. Very pretty. It's in the shade, so it's cool. So if you're here in Farchant, they don't say Farchant here, they say Farchant. Take this hike, it's absolutely beautiful. It's not too taxing, and I think you'll enjoy it. Have fun.